Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the drop down transition effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so it's super simple. You can select your images you like to edit. Alright, so previously I set the image duration in 2.0 seconds. Go to transition and on trending you can find the drop down. So this is Pro effect. You have to join Progress to be able to use this effect. So add to track. Alright, that's for the duration in 1.0 second and apply to all the clip. And you can see for the final result for its lagging video. Yeah, it's lagging video, I'm sorry. Alright, you can add effect, video effect, and select effect you like. See the result. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.